Christian apologetics. It's an honorable thing to defend the Christian faith, but sometimes after we've engaged with people for too long, Christian apologetics could become Christian antagonism. What I mean by that is where we begin to treat unbelievers as enemies, as people that are not made in the image and likeness of God, and we forget to show humility and respect. A lot of times we like to quote the verse in which Peter told us to defend the faith, but we leave out the part that tells us to defend the faith with humility and respect. That's a principle that we have to remember, because we could do more harm to the reputation of Christ if we become antagonistic and rude and nasty and mean to unbelievers who may genuinely have doubts and concerns that need to be addressed and answered. But truthfully, some of them are not looking for answers. They look to be antagonistic, and I think it's imperative for us to use discernment and know when to hold them and know when to fold them. Sometimes we got to leave people be, and we got to remember what Jesus said in this parable of the four soils. A lot of us are spending too much time and engaging in scattering seed amongst rocky ground, meaning that we are scattering seed in places where they have no chance to take root. And that's a waste of time. We must remember that one of the privileges that God has given us is time, and we don't want to waste too much of it engaging in discussions that are fruitless and meaningless. A lot of times people just want to quarrel, they want to argue, they want to make you look bad, or they may want to convert you to their beliefs. A lot of times that's what they do. They want to convert you to their unbeliefs. And then a lot of times before you even engage in discussion, they have convinced themselves before that they will not be convinced after. So they have made up their mind already, is what I mean. So my encouragement to you as a Christian is to be a wise steward of your time. Know when to hold them, know when to fold them, and don't scatter seed amongst rocky ground. Defend the faith, know what you believe in, why you believe it, and know how to explain it most of all. My name is Jay Wilson, and this is the Truth Be Told project, where we aim to help you live according to your intended design. God has designed for you as an apologist to defend the faith with humility and respect. That's all for now. I want to thank you for tuning in. If you find any value in this video, consider subscribing and liking and sharing with those who defend the faith as well, just to offer some form of encouragement. Thanks for watching. Peace.